Hello, I'm Scott with Shoms Photography, and I made a video a couple weeks ago about the CL-600s and that I've never had any problems with them until today. Well, actually yesterday, when this one stopped working. So it started out, it was working fine, thought it was a cable. It wasn't a cable. Tested the head with a different head and found out it was the head that was bad. So once I opened it up, found out it's a cold solder problem. Now cold solder is when it'll work fine when it's cold, but after it heats up, the metal expands and loses connection. So instead of going through and trying to find out which one was a cold solder, I just went and resoldered over every single one of them put down my flux, ran some new solder, and everything is working flawlessly now. Again, when you're working with a flash tube or a halogen bulb, you should always wear your gloves, and after you're done installing the tube back into the unit, you should always go over with alcohol and a microfiber cloth, clean off all residue from finger oils on a bare flash tube. Now if you're using like the 8200 bulb, it's got a covering over the tube so you can't actually touch it, so never stick your finger inside the little hole. It's in the top. Again, this was a cold soldering joint. Again, I broke my golden rule about bringing backups. You should always bring backups, because if you need 3 flashes or flashes and you only bring 3 and 1 fails, you're kind of screwed. So I broke my golden rule, and I should have had extras in the car, because I have an extra 3 of these. So I have 6 of these, and I should put the other 3 in the trunk. And when this one failed, I could have went out to the car and grabbed another one and brought it in, and I wouldn't have had any problems. But I didn't do that, and therefore I had only 2 strobes to work with instead of 3, and that kind of sucks. So again, I always recommend to always bring backups at all times. Again, my name is Scott with Shoms Photography, and thank you for watching.